Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Fivem and GTAV must match. Mismatched builds often cause crashes. Next, update your GPU drivers and Windows, then reboot to clear locked files. Once done, run Fivem as administrator so it can write configs and temp files. Make sure your antivirus or Windows Defender isn't quarantining files, because that silently kills the launcher. If you see missing DLL errors, jot them down. They guide the next fixes. Now you move into the complex middle. Clear Fivem's cache by deleting the cache folder except game. CFG, because residual data often corrupts sessions. Then verify GTAV files through your launcher to repair missing assets, since Fivem relies on a clean install. Disable overlays like Discord, MSI Afterburner, or Riva Tuner. Overlays commonly conflict with rendering and cause crashes. Once finished, relaunch Fivem and watch logs. Error lines will tell you if a mod or custom shader is the culprit. For finalization, perform a clean Fivem reinstall while preserving any essential config files. This removes corrupted install files. Then test with a vanilla GTAV profile or a new Windows user, because profile-level mods or permissions often break things. If crashes continue, gather crash report. TXT, server console logs, and the Windows Event Viewer error. These let you pinpoint the issue. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, start minimal, no mods, default settings, and add components back one at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.